Best DNA test kits available online. Ancestry genealogy DNA. You've got questions? We've got ancestors. Your ancestors' lives can tell you so much about the life you're living today. Take Ancestry for a spin and see how their story is your story through records, photos, and more. The simple MyHeritage DNA test will reveal your unique ethnic background and match you with newfound relatives. Discover the specific groups you descend from among 2,114 geographic regions. And take family history to the next level with the most affordable DNA test on the market. LivingDNA discovers where you come from with incredible detail using your DNA. The most detailed ancestry test in the world. One simple cheek swab is all that stands in between you and your unique DNA story. We are pleased to be able to offer the latest world-leading health tests. Understanding your current health empowers you to make mindful choices. FamilyTreeDNA discover new types of connections. The only company to offer 3 separate DNA databases: autosomal DNA, Family Finder, mtDNA, and yDNA. FamilyTreeDNA is the only place to find the missing connections in your family and break down brick walls. Nebula Genomics finds what your DNA say about your health and ancestry. Discover your roots and what runs in your family, so you can take action with the most accurate genetic test that decodes 100% of your DNA and guarantees your privacy. SelfDecode decodes your DNA to give you science-backed insights and actionable recommendations, so you can make the best choices for your body, not someone else's. '23andMe Ancestry Service, the most comprehensive ancestry breakdown on the market, with over 4,000 regions. Discover where in the world your DNA is from across 4,000 plus regions. In some cases, down to the county level.